Okay, we're talking about FireWire and USB on a motherboard. This motherboard has 4 USB ports and 1 FireWire port, and when the motherboard goes into the case, they come out at the back rear of the case. But it does have room for expansion. This motherboard that came with it has an extra FireWire port, and you can mount this in one of the slots at the rear of the case that's normally used for an expansion card, and connect it on the motherboard to this connector right down here to give yourself an extra FireWire port. Also, many cases have USB ports on the front of the case, and this one has 2 USB ports with a cord that comes from them, and you can connect them to this particular motherboard. There are 2 connectors for additional USB ports. One of these connectors would accommodate these 2 USB ports, and then there's another one here to accommodate even 2 more for a total of 8 USB ports on this particular motherboard. And that's USB and FireWire on a motherboard.